I'm absolutely in love with the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Probiotics Barrier Essence. This essence has been a game changer for my dry skin, delivering a perfect blend of hydration, nourishment, and barrier boosting benefits. The formula is packed with antioxidant rich ingredients, vitamins, and minerals that work together to not only protect, but also improve the overall health of my skin. With consistent use, I've noticed significant improvements in my skin's texture, tone, and elasticity. It has even softened and smoothed out my expression lines, which now appear much less visible. An incredible anti-aging benefit. What stands out to me is how this essence is formulated with skin barrier essentials like ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. These components are crucial for maintaining a healthy, resilient skin barrier, and I can genuinely feel the difference. The addition of butylene glycol, sunflower seed oil, caprylic, capric, triglyceride, and panthenol makes it deeply hydrating and soothing, even on the days when my skin is extra dry. The texture is another highlight. It's lightweight, milky, and absorbs quickly, making it perfect for layering with other products. There's almost no scent, which I appreciate, and it feels incredibly soft and nourishing on the skin. After application, my skin feels instantly moisturized, calm, and replenished. Overall, I'm so impressed with how this essence has transformed my skin. It's a must-have for anyone with dry skin, but I believe it's suitable for all skin types due to its gentle yet effective formulation. If you're looking for a product that not only hydrates, but also strengthens and improves your skin's overall appearance, I highly recommend giving the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice Probiotics Barrier Essence a try. I'm completely obsessed,